That bunny on the pedestal is Annalie find or buy. And when I got it home, because there's so many things I purchased that time, it kind of was unstable, so it basically came off. I don't know if it just got banged up against something. So
that the bunny came apart, you mean?
It came off of the pedestal.
Okay.
So I just re-glued it, but I added a third egg, and then I put that cute little flower on the bow. It's a let me see if I can move it this way where you can see it. It's just like a little
Oh
rose.
yeah, it's much prettier right now. It's beautiful. You can see
Isn't that cute with the
yeah.
rose on it? And so I had these really tiny. These are like nail art things. I don't know what they call them. And I have a package of them, so I thought, oh, the little tiny rose will be perfect on that bow.
And you know, until you brought it up, I couldn't tell there was a rose there.
Oh,
it just wasn't
it back.
Be careful. They don't want the baby to break.
Yeah, so I just kind of, added a couple things, but, it was already beautiful to begin with from Annalie. I love how she put this little lace on here, this little flower there.
Let's see if we can get it in here better.
Yeah.
But she does beautiful detail work, guys.
Yeah, so it's so cute. And then look when we were at the river a couple weeks ago. I say river, lake house, whatever it is. I had this in a box. I never even opened it.
Really?
Yeah, because I was like, what do I have here that's Easter related I could take home to use? And Carlos was like, oh my gosh, make sure you put a note on it that this belongs to the lake house so it goes back. I don't want this stuff staying here. I was like, gee.
He's getting really crazy.
I know, he's getting tired of having all this stuff at this house. But anyways, so, and then that little cup is from Annalie. That one we had from last year. We used it in our Alice in Wonderland display. But it's so pretty with the with the butterfly.
Look at all the detail work she puts into everything she does.
So to me, that's like spring, big time. So.
And these are all paper flowers, aren't they?
Yes, they're paper, and the cup is paper as well. It's beautiful. Her and her husband put these together, and I just love them. I have another one too, but this one is the perfect color for this little vignette thing that I have going.
And she used those little purple flowers again.
I did. And you see that bow. I have one that looks kind of like the rabbit's ears, but this color went better with my little niche here, so I opted to go with that color.
I think it looks cute as can be.
And then my little bunnies, and I added a little bow tie for the boy and a little bow on the girl's ear.
Super cute.
Got to embellish a little bit. So they're a little couple.
And I can't wait to show this one.
And this is my little carrot that I made. Let's see if I can you see it?
I'm shooting the whole thing so you can see all the detail work. She did this whole thing herself. I love it.
And I'm going to be making more, and I'll be making a video to show how I did it. I got this idea from a girl on Facebook. Her name is Crystal from Glitz and Glue. And so she made some. So I think the bow should have went up a little bit higher, but it's okay. But then I love how I have the little bunny on there as well. He's so cute. So the plan is to make about 3 or 4 more, and then make a display out of them.
And what's the name of the channel you're going to be sharing how to do it?
Create your blossom your creativity.
Don't forget to go check that channel out, as that's our second channel, and we're going to be adding something hopefully every week or 2.
Yeah.
And they'll be mostly just DIYs, because right now the channel's not big enough to support all the views we want, and there's so much money being spent. We want to make sure we get some views.
Yeah.
10 and 20 views is not going to make it when we've done what we've done.
So support the new channel, you guys.
And the sooner we get that channel built up, the sooner there's going to be a lot more home decor over there.
So then going down, we have our little flower. I don't know where you got this. Mom loaned it to me.
That is from Dollar Tree.
Oh, okay, Dollar Tree. So just put a couple little eggs in there. Thought that was cute.
And I bought a pair of them because I do a lot of stuff like that in my own home with my whimsical little setup there.
Yeah, and they're tiny, so they fit right perfect. And then the one in the middle, that was from Hobby Lobby.
Oh.
It was $1 or something. It was on that 40 40% off sale.
See, you can find some cute things if you just look around.
Mm-hmm.
Now we're going down to the bottom.
So the bottom shelf, so going to that side, that's the third little plaque that goes with the other two that are on top. And that one says, a Merry Easter wish for you.
Super sweet.
And you see it's got the little purple flowers in there, so I try to keep that purple going throughout the whole
theme.
Little
and here's our, not real Mackenzie Childs, but faux ones. And they're from
Tuesday morning.
Tuesday morning.
So we got those two.
And they came with the flowers also.
Yeah, I gotta stay out of them. I'm getting the shadow. And then I got that little sign that says hello at Dollar General. Dollar.
Mm-hmm.
So cute. And then I just had that little can. We got it from Europe. We had cookies in it, and I saved the can because I just love the
can is beautiful.
Yeah.
Let me see if I can get closer and show how pretty it is. Oh, it's so pretty. Thank you so much, Debbie, for sharing so many beautiful things from your trip.
And then going to this side, in the background, those are those huge flowers that we're going to be using for our Alice in Wonderland. So they're really tall, but I just have them laying across. So I have that one on that side.
And we're going to have some
the other
DIY projects for that too, aren't
yeah,
we?
We're going to transform those. And then there's my little Happy Easter sign. I made that. And if you remember from the other post, I used that little easel at Christmas and at, what do you call it? Valentine's Day.
Now, do you just keep piling different things on top of it?
Well, I was going to reuse, but the last one I did, the Valentine's, it stuck and I could not get it off. So I had to paint it and I decoupage that. So it'll have to stay like that now.
Well, that's fine. You probably can find some more. I can look every time I go.
I want to get some more because I really like
how it looks
doing them. But it turned out cute, and that was from a napkin that I got.
Well, we're already past our limit, so hugs and kisses.
Okay, bye.
We'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Here is our slideshow. We can't get music. Hope you enjoy. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La la la.